News returns to the Sabine Park Apartments in Orange. It's been 4 months without running water for some residents. Others face electrical issues, leaks, even a ceiling that's caving in. 12 News and city officials have made repeated attempts to contact the owners of the private complex with no response. And tonight we're learning they have to respond or the city will move forward with demolition.
That's right. Tomorrow morning, city attorneys and the owners of the complex are due in front of a judge. 12 News reporter Cameron Seibert has covered this story for us for months. And Cam, tomorrow morning things could change.
Yeah, they really could. The city's going to be presenting mountains of evidence showing why they think this part of the complex should be destroyed. Owners will get a chance to testify, but that's only if they show up.
Grass 2 feet high, garbage piling up, stray cats, and mold on the walls. It's clear no one should have to live in these conditions.
Okay, we're looking at this area here. They have found significant code violations.
At a hearing Wednesday morning, city attorneys will present a mountain of evidence to a judge, hoping to prove this section of the Sabine Park Apartments should be demolished.
We think they're too far gone, that they can't economically be brought up to code. We don't think people should have to live in substandard conditions that are just absolutely deplorable.
It's ridiculous, man. We have to take legal action because this just isn't right.
You can hear how frustrated Mayor Larry Spears Jr. is. He says the city gave owners more than enough time to respond.
We've got to take care of business and make sure that we get this cleaned up. And if they want to rebuild, that may be an option, but for now, this has to come down.
On other parts of the property, people are living just fine. Would you want to leave?
No.
You're fine staying put.
Yeah, I don't want to move. Neither does my neighbor.
Judy Baker has lived here for 13 years. Her main problem is management. Like we've reported, they packed up and left at the end of January.
Give us some kind of explanation and who we're supposed to give our rent to and all that stuff.
Months of questions and a situation only getting worse. Now, a judge may finally offer answers.
We think we have a very, very strong case with all the multitude of code violations that are occurring at that apartment complex. It's to protect public health and safety, and we think we owe that to the citizens of Orange. We'll see what happens.
So that judge is going to have a lot to consider. First, are the buildings in fact substandard, and should they be demolished, or should the owners get more time to make repairs? The hearing is going to be like a trial, going to have testimony, witnesses, and evidence. 12 News plans to be there in the morning to watch the whole process play out. Cameron Seibert, 12 News.